Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off disappearing messages on Instagram. To turn off disappearing messages on Instagram, first you have to tap open Instagram application in your device. Once you open the application, make sure that you are signed in. Once you are signed in, simply tap on the message icon located on your top right. Now tap on the chat you want to turn off disappearing messages on. As you can see, the vanish mode has been turned on right here. To turn this feature off, you can simply swipe up from below like this and then release to turn off vanish mode. And here you go, you have successfully turned off vanish mode on Instagram. We have another option as well. Let's turn on disappearing messages again by swiping up. And now simply tap on the profile name. Then tap on privacy and safety. Here you can see various options to keep your messages secure. To turn off disappearing messages, simply toggle off the button right next to vanish mode by tapping on it. And with this, the seen messages will not disappear when you close the chat. And that is how you successfully turn off disappearing messages on Instagram. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.